In 1996, you changed how communication works. Now you're back in India. What do you think what the content inside should be about people saying Sabir Bhatia is back?
So the UP government has come out with some scheme to give 5 lakh rupees in a no interest loan to 100 crores worth to entrepreneurs. I said, वो thinking ही गलत है कि आप उनको लोन क्यों दे रहे हैं?
What is the difference between the Silicon Valley and how things work here?
Hierarchy. Silicon Valley में कोई hierarchy नहीं है. Anybody on the line has an idea, he can go knock on the CEO's door and say कि आप इसको ऐसा कर, do it this way.
Hierarchy here is the main problem. अगर किसी के दिमाग में एक छोटा सा आइडिया भी है, CEO तक उनका खुद के कंपनी का एम्प्लॉय नहीं पहुंच पाता, बाहर के लोग क्या पहुंचेंगे?
Jeff Bezos believe जब भी $6 था Amazon stock, आज क्या 3,000-4,000 हो गया है. The whole world should have zero tariffs. Throw problems, have challenges, not quiz shows. Quiz shows are meaningless. और कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? There's just either you have the knowledge or not. Knowledge is irrelevant in this new economy. If there are 30 startups doing food delivery, don't do another food delivery startup. Think of some other problem to solve.
But don't you think it's too difficult? Because business और मीडिया तो वही कर रहे हैं जो चलता है. अभी मीडिया को भी PR चाहिए, चैनल्स को PR चाहिए. अब वो बिग बॉस बोलेंगे, सलमान खान बोलेंगे, तब जाके उन्हें व्यूज आएंगे.
जो ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है वही चीज करनी है हमको. अगर आसान होता तो सब लोग कर लेते. And in the US, what happens is if one company has done it or another company, people say no, they've already done it. Let's not copy them. Let's do something else. They themselves don't know what they're teaching. They've never experienced it. They've never understood it themselves. They've just become teachers.
घर वालों को we can't explain कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं just because of their family scenario or something else.
एक आइडिया आया मुझे. To hell with घर वालों.
First of all, sir, thank you so much for giving me your time for this podcast, for this conversation. And I'm glad I'm able to host you and channelize all your knowledge into this conversation. So let's start with the first thing which I have in my mind. So in 1996, you changed how communication works. आपने इतना एक amazing idea you bought in the market and it worked amazing and it is a revolution which you bought into the market. Now you're back in India. So what are you up to? Do you see any macro changes happening in India? मतलब अभी what is that brings you back in India?
Lots of things. सबसे पहले तो इंडिया की जो पॉपुलेशन है 70% 35 के बिलो है और सब पूरी जो यंगस्टर्स हैं जेन जीज हैं सब सोशल मीडिया पे सुपर एक्टिव हैं और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में काफ़ी सारी दिलचस्पी है लोगों में.
Correct.
You know, they want to become entrepreneurs. They want to do things on their own. I think they are done with their parents' generation, an idea of working for a company and a 9-to-5 job for the rest of their lives. So that is a good, very good, at least enthusiasm and, a lot of entrepreneurial energy.
Mm.
So the potential is limitless. However, it has to be channeled correctly. कि किस चीज में लोगों को entrepreneurship pursue करनी चाहिए, कौन सी चीजें में. एंड जैसे हमने डिस्कस किया था पॉडकास्ट के पहले, फूड डिलीवरी ऐप नहीं है. You can only have so many food delivery apps. And like Piyush Goyal also said, it's a app for the rich, for a few people.
Correct.
India is a large country, 1.5 billion people. So if you can use technology to solve some serious problems, either one of mass poverty, mass education, mass realization कि बाकी की जो दुनिया आगे बढ़ती जा रही है और हम उस बैंड वैगन पे नहीं हैं. क्यों नहीं है? You know, why are we not thinking about the next robots or next, high-end, super-end electric vehicles? What is it? How do we solve this problem? Potential तो है इंडिया में,
बहुत है.
एनर्जी भी है. पोटेंशियल और एनर्जी को कंबाइन और चैनल कैसे किया जाए? That is the critical question to be answered.
So that is something which brings you back to India, that it has limitless potential. काफी सारे लोग हैं जिनमें अब एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का वो बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया. सी कंटेंट एंड मीडिया हैज प्लेड अ वेरी मेजर रोल इन दैट टू प्रोवोक एंड लेट पीपल नो. जब शार्क टैंक आया, इतने बड़े बड़े शोज जब इंडिया में आए, दो वट एवर माइट बी द टेक्निकलिटीज एंड द डिफरेंसेस, बट कहीं ना कहीं तक दैट मेड पीपल थिंक कि हाँ, हम अपना भी कुछ चालू कर सकते हैं इसके अंदर. वाइल यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट पीयूष गोयल स्टेटमेंट, जो पीयूष गोयल ने जो स्टेटमेंट दिया, सर ने जो स्टेटमेंट दिया, उसके ऊपर आई सॉ जितने भी स्टार्टअप्स को, फूड डिलीवरी एप्लीकेशंस को, जितनी भी चीज़ उन्होंने बोली थी, वो फाउंडर्स को इतना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आई. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर लाइक दे डोंट नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन द मार्केट एंड दे डोंट नो अबाउट द रियल स्टफ. सो व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन ऑन दैट? मतलब आपको क्या लगता है फ्रॉम अ फाउंडर्स पर्सपेक्टिव हु हैज़ बिल्ट अ बिग एप्लीकेशन प्रोवाइडिंग एम्प्लॉयमेंट, बिकॉज इंडिया में अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड एजुकेशन को लेकर बहुत सारे इश्यूज हैं. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर नॉट एजुकेटेड, सो अगर वो एजुकेटेड नहीं है तो उन्हें जल्दी जॉब नहीं मिलती. प्लस इट इज़ लाइक कि मतलब अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है. तो थोड़ा सा फाउंडर्स को लेकर मतलब व्हाट डू यू थिंक फ्रॉम अ फाउंडर्स पर्सपेक्टिव कि इज दिस स्टेटमेंट 100% राइट, और व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन ऑन दैट? डू यू एग्री विद पीयूष गोयल?
No, so I agree with him, obviously, on the one hand, कि broad-based diversity नहीं है, मतलब diversity of thinking नहीं है. But at the same time, I wouldn't criticize those people that are solving some problem because they found a market somehow. You see, ultimately, entrepreneurship is, you can simply boil it down to only two things: finding a customer and determining how big is that market. First, identifying who your customer is. Is your customer an individual? Is your customer a business? Is your customer a company? Is your customer the government? And how big is the market for whatever you're doing? वो जो two basic questions हैं, fundamental principles जो हैं, for example, मेरा experience रहा है consumer business में. I'm not a B2B guy. People switch to B2B because they might want to make money or do this. I don't chase money. My whole thinking is ideas. When we started Hotmail, we did not start it to make money. That was not the intent, not the purpose, not anything. ये सिर्फ हमको ये आइडिया आया कि हमारी जैक को और मुझे एक प्रॉब्लम थी कि हम अपना ईमेल अकाउंट एक्सेस नहीं कर सकते थे, पर्सनल जो ईमेल अकाउंट थे, कॉर्पोरेट फायरवॉल के अंदर से. तो हमने बोला कि अगर हम ईमेल को वेब पे डिलीवर करें HTML द्वारा, that's why it's Hotmail is HTML email, that will solve our problem. ये तो कभी सोचा ही नहीं था किसी को डिलीवर करना है या कितने पैसे बनेंगे या कितना, nothing. It was an original idea. किसी का कॉपी नहीं किया. और ओरिजिनल एक प्रॉब्लम थी जो हमने टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू सॉल्व की. और सिर्फ ये इंस्टिंक्ट था कि दूसरों को भी ये प्रॉब्लम आएगी, तो हमने जो सोल्यूशन जो क्रिएट किया वो यूनिवर्सल है, सारी दुनिया यूज कर सकती है. तो जब वेंचर कैपिटलिस्ट मुझे पूछते थे कि इसका टारगेट मार्केट क्या है, कौन है, आई सेड सब लोग, बिकॉज इट्स अ कंज्यूमर. हर एक को जो भी ईमेल यूज करता है वो हमारी प्रोडक्ट यूज करेंगे. एंड सो दैट वाज out of box thinking, because email, it's not that we invented email. Email was already there, but it was restricted to being accessed through specific pieces of software. We made it available on the web.
So basically you took something which was accessible to very few people and आपने उसे mass के लिए बना दिया, which changed.
It was accessible to a lot of people too. But then you had to either own an ISP
Correct.
connection.
Exactly.
In those days, in countries like India, I had this instinct कि एक ISP के through you can get the whole, whole city can sign up. And that's exactly what happened. So that came from, just being aware of what local problems are. And it has become a global phenomenon now.
Of course. Undoubtedly.
6 billion people use email. Now that kind of thinking, I think, is still absent in India.
God.
Because if you go to a venture capitalist, say, मेरा एक idea है. I can do this, I can make this happen. मुझे पता नहीं पैसे कैसे बनेंगे. कोई आपको फंड करेगा इंडिया में?
बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. बहुत डिफिकल्ट है.
So Piyush Goyal has answered his own question. It's don't blame the kids of India. You have not developed an ecosystem where such kind of ideas can get funded. He's criticizing on one side, but what is the solution? He hasn't provided a solution. I'm providing you the solution. We have to have enough capital where capital is not worried about return on investment and they have long-term horizons. कि ये नहीं बताओ, the current venture capitalists in India have a mindset of PE, which is पैसे बना रहे हो, ये हम डालेंगे, it will grow. और बाकी सब भी कर रहे हैं, हम भी करते हैं. Right, then you are not unique. You're not thinking on your own. You're just copying. Copying is not innovation. We have to eliminate copying from our minds. And in the US, what happens is if one company has done it or another company, people said, no, they've already done it. Let's not copy them. Let's do something else. India में तो एक शुरू करता है तो 100 people copy.
वो चला तो ये भी चलेगा, then वो वाला mindset आ जाता है.
फिर वो that is safety mindset. वो safety mindset does not work. DeepSeek occurred because they said we have to work within our limitations. We are not getting the highest end chips, doesn't matter. So let's try to solve the problem using our brains. And they said, okay, instead of using one machine to solve all the world's problems, let's break it into smaller chain of experts. So if we know what the query is and we force it into one of many areas of expertise, whether it's legal, engineering, mathematics, science, whatever, we don't need 780 billion parameters. We can do it for 30 billion parameters. That comes out of simple thinking. Simple thinking, not copying. The problem is all of our education is all about copying. I remember, I'm included too. When I did projects in school, how did I do the project? I copied last year's project. Somebody did it, I did the same thing. That's not original. But I was part of that system. How can you, Einstein famously said, doing the same experiment over and over again, expecting a different outcome is the definition of insanity. If we have an educational system that only teaches you to memorize and regurgitate in an exam, how can you get anything different? If your goal is not teaching, the goal is marks. Get the maximum number of marks, 98, 99, 100. Nobody gets 98, 99, 100 marks in the US. People understand, has this person understood the concept? True learning. When I went to Caltech, I was the only one in the world who passed that exam because that exam was so difficult. It tested how you thought. And I got only a 62. But the next highest was a 42. But it tested, did I understand the concept of mathematics? Till today, there is not a single question paper in India that tests concepts, that tests how you understand things. Because it's like people just they take from last year and they regurgitate a little bit. And I mean, that's not knowledge.
You think that critical thinking is what played a major role while you cracking these papers or stuff? Because I think वो theories से ज़्यादा critical thinking and आपके practicality पे ज़्यादा फोकस करते होंगे कि आप कॉन्सेप्ट को कितने अच्छे से समझे हो एंड उसके यूज केसेस को और एप्लीकेशंस को कितने अच्छे से समझे हो, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग.
And also, why are we doing all of this? In engineering, ask any engineer in India, second order, third order differential equations, this, that, whatever, everybody will solve it. Because they are told, देखो ये है, इस तरह का आएगा तो ऐसा होना चाहिए, if this, then this, then this. Why are we doing it? Nobody knows. The first thing that when I went to Caltech in my physics of semiconductor devices class, the professor said, all of semiconductor theory is based on the diffusion equation. Why? Because how do electrons diffuse themselves? Or how does a gas, suddenly you create a gas, how does it diffuse itself? How does it, what pattern does it follow for the actual particles? So now when you know what you're doing and why you're doing it, your interest level goes up in the subject. You're not doing it just for the sake of passing an exam. You're doing it because you have understood the concepts and you want to learn more. True learning existed in India during the Gurukul system. Now we've become like Jhatka learning. I mean, I don't know what it is. It's like, it's memorization and wipe it out and start preparing for the next exam. Useless, completely useless. We are creating armies of useless kids.
गॉट योर पॉइंट. अभी आपने कुछ देर पहले ही दो चीज़ों का मेंशन करा. फर्स्ट, कि चाइना ने काफ़ी लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज में डीप सीक को क्रिएट करा एंड दे रियलाइज कि हमारे पास इतने ही रिसोर्सेज हैं, हमें इतने में ही जो बनाना है बनाना है. एट द वेरी सेम टाइम वी ऑल्सो टॉक्ड अबाउट कि कैसे इंडिया में वीसीज आर मोस्टली फोकसिंग टुवर्ड्स बिजनेसेस विच आर ऑलरेडी दे, जो परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं या पैसा बन रहा है. तो अगर हम इंडियन इकोनॉमी और इंडियन पॉपुलेशन को देखते हैं, द यूथ हु आर ट्राइंग टू बी entrepreneurs and do great stuff in their life, have great ideas, great potential, what do you think? मतलब क्या reason है? The lack of funds, the lack of ecosystem, or not able to utilize the resources available? मतलब आपका क्या perspective है इस पे?
Begins with lack of education. How many kids in India are asked to write a paper on their own? Zero.
In education, that's not a concept.
That's why it's broken. My 8-year-old kid, 7-year-old kid writes their own papers, their own stories, their own. It comes from within. They write down, sit down and write, I went on vacation, this is what I did, this is what I did, this. And it's full of spelling mistakes. Teachers don't correct the spelling mistakes because that's irrelevant. It's the idea. What is the kid thinking? And the kid is coming out with original ideas of their own. Over time, they'll become better and better and better and better. That is true education. Here, you're not asked to write a paper ever. You're just asked, you're just given data, you've got to memorize it and regurgitate it. That is not education.
Exactly. Indian marking system में तो even spellings के ऊपर marks काटे जाते हैं when the kids are young. तो I guess directly उसमें किया जा
Then
रहा है.
it's superficial.
Correct. Because I think आप जो मतलब बात बोल रहे हो, why it is actually very true, because हमें बचपन से वही सिखाया जाता है कि you need to get the maximum marks. अब maximum marks के लिए you need to learn the concepts really well. नहीं तो फिर how will you get the marks? मतलब teachers are checking the board paper examination का आप देख लो how it gets checked.
Teachers
Concept
don't
आप कुछ भी
even know
लिखो.
what they're teaching, why they're teaching it. They themselves don't know what they're teaching. They've never experienced it. They've never understood it themselves. They've just become teachers. So we are creating this mechanical system of people who are very good at taking orders. This was the ideal kind of workforce that was required during the Industrial Revolution of the 1900s. Factory workers. Today, machines will do all that work better than humans. We need thinking people. And thinking meaning critical thinking. Folks, those are the individuals that will create mass entrepreneurship and that will create massive value. And that comes from doing things. How many mechanical engineers in India today, after graduating from mechanical engineering, have actually worked on a production line on their own?
Very negligible. negligible.
Everybody wants to become a manager. So how will you have innovation? Only when you work with your hands with some piece of software or equipment or hardware or whatever, will you think about, hey, we can make this better. This process can be better. We can automate this. We can build a robot to do this. We can do this. No, the best brains of India are not being used for the right purpose. And because I think society has a big role to play. Because everybody in society at first asks, क्या कर रहा है बेटा? ये अच्छा है. Position है, title है, फिर ठीक है. If you tell somebody, no, the person is actually working, this is not it's a lowly job. No, there should be pride in work, in whatever work you do.
I think along with our education system, जो mechanism of validation है ना, वो भी बहुत बड़ा influence है. Because let's say अगर कोई mechanical engineer है and even if he wants to pursue something, but हमारे देश में जो mechanism of validation चलता है कि how do you validate if this person is successful or not? Either he's having a title, he's having a home, he's earning XYZ salary, he's having a car. So
सब गलत है.
सब गलत है. Even like from education system to the mechanism of validation, I guess this is the spectrum which changes how the talent comes in and gets lowered to
And the other thing is, अगर गलती से fail हो गए, my God, you are like. So I'll give you an example. I had gone to Tycon Bangalore. So one guy comes and tells me, unknown, tell me one thing. I said, why? How come nothing became successful after Hotmail? That means he's basically telling me you failed in everything. I said, I don't know. God didn't will for me to do well. I don't know. Maybe I'll try. My next one, hopefully, will become successful. I mean, क्या बोलूं उसको?
Correct.
वहां पर they say doesn't matter. Failure doesn't matter. You've learned something, na? Try to किया है. You have to be able to think completely outside of the box. All the ideas that have become trillion-dollar companies are completely out-of-box ideas. You know, Uber broke every regulation on planet Earth. यहाँ पर अगर एक rule तोड़ लो तो my God, they will descend upon you like you've committed a heinous crime. I'll give you an example. We were doing something called store and forward technology of messages.
Jackster.
No, before Jackster also, there was another company. And some police people came and they arrested my employees. They said, you're doing voice over IP. That is illegal. How can they make a technology illegal? The whole world was switching to voice over IP, but before, no. It says it's illegal, it says illegal.
Is it?
Draconian implementation of laws as if there's zero trust in the society. Well, with this zero trust, you cannot have out-of-box thinking. And the other thing is, everybody in India is already told no. Can I do something different? No. If you tell a kid no 10 times, he's not going to ask the 11th time. But innovation comes from asking, can I do this differently? That is innovation.
Absolutely true. I've seen that. मतलब जैसे when I also started doing business and everything, and जब मेरे साथ भी काफ़ी सारे दोस्त थे जो अभी कॉलेजेस में हैं, काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं जो जॉब्स कर रहे हैं, उनको यही था मतलब कि घर वालों को वी कांट एक्सप्लेन कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ देयर फैमिली सिनेरियो और समथिंग एल्स. वही है कि मतलब इट्स नॉट दैट मच प्रमोटेड. मतलब ये एक माइंडसेट बन गया कि द फैमिली वोंट अलाउ एंड देन दे कांट गो बियॉन्ड द फैमिली स्टफ.
एक आइडिया आया मुझे. टू हेल विद घर वालों. I'm telling you, to hell with what other people think. In America, everybody says, to hell with whatever people think. I'm going to do this. That's why it's the greatest country on planet Earth. I mean, look at Donald Trump. To hell with what the whole world does. Let the stock market crash and burn. I'm going to do this.
Correct. I absolutely agree with you. अभी जब पूरे कॉन्वर्सेशन में वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ इंडिया इज वर्किंग, हाउ थिंग्स आर, हाउ थिंग्स शुड बी. आपने कई बार ये बात मेंशन करी कि वी नीड टू ब्रिंग दैट चेंज इन इंडिया. सो यू आर वर्किंग ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विच विल एंड यू आर स्प्रेडिंग दैट वर्ड कि मतलब किस तरीके से हमें सोचना चाहिए, किस तरीके से चीज़ों को होना चाहिए. So what's your definition of change? मतलब change एक बहुत broad word है. Plus, I would say थोड़ा सा अगर मैं इस तरीके से पूछूं कि what is the definition of done for you? मतलब in your lifetime, what is your definition of done?
एक तो माइंडसेट चेंज बहुत जरूरत है. Think different. You cannot think the same and expect a different result. If there are 30 startups doing food delivery, don't do another food delivery startup. Think of some other problem to solve. That is one. There is, you're never done. The answer to done, you're never done. Because you've got to change the mindset of a whole country. And the last thing I will say is, you have to encourage people to think outside of the box, howsoever crazy that idea may be. We are a conformist society. Badi ki suno, ye karo, we just. Why?
Follow what already is.
Independently सोचो ना.
सही बात है, एकदम सही बात है. विद दैट थोड़ा सा मैं अगर कॉन्वर्सेशन को इस तरफ थोड़ा ले जाऊं, मैं थोड़ा सा ऐसे फैंसी तरीके से बोलूंगा कि इफ टुमारोज हेडलाइन सेज सबीर भाटिया इज बैक, तो आप उसका बॉडी कंटेंट क्या होना चाहोगे? मतलब व्हाट डू यू थिंक द कंटेंट इनसाइड should be about people saying Sabir Bhatia is back?
One is, hopefully I'm back with 3 or 4 crazy ideas that will change the course of humanity. I am back inspiring young kids to think differently, to say to hell with other people. Don't think about what other people think of you. You are ultimately answerable to yourself, and do what not just you're good at, but what makes you happy. For example, there are so many kids in my generation who became doctors and engineers. They had no interest in medicine, no interest in engineering. They just became that because that was a ticket out of poverty or whatever. Not poverty, whatever. Poor this thing. Some people had really great passion to be athletes. Others I have seen who were great musicians. Pursue your today, thankfully, because of the entertainment industry and stuff, you can have a great, you can create a band, you can go on tour, and you can lead a pretty decent life performing. Previously, artist, musician, bhuka marega. What is this bhuka marega? I mean, we have to develop a society that is equally well developed. Arts, sciences, culture. You can't suppress all of that and say we'll just create a whole country of engineers and doctors, and those are damn good at memorization and regurgitation. It's useless.
It's being in a system. मतलब एक ही चीज के अंदर रहना. मतलब while we are talking about that as well, I want to understand from your perspective. आपने सिलिकॉन वैली को भी बहुत अच्छे से देखा है, एंड आपने इंडियन इकोनॉमी को भी बहुत अच्छे से समझा है, देखा है, आप काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें कर भी रहे हो. व्हाट इज़ दी वन लाइन डिफरेंस जो एक बहुत ही मेजर है, जो दोनों में बहुत डिफरेंसेस लेकर आता है? व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द सिलिकॉन वैली एंड हाउ थिंग्स वर्क हियर?
हायरार्की. सिलिकॉन वैली में कोई हायरार्की नहीं है. Anybody on the line has an idea, he can go knock on the CEO's door and say, "Ye aap isko aisa kar, do it this way. This will improve it. This will save time, hours, cost, this, that." And the CEO will say, "This is amazing," and reward you for it. Doesn't matter. Come on, tell me. Let's all discuss this. Let's all solve it in a big way. Yahan par to boss is always right. Even when boss is wrong, you have to say he's right because he's the boss. That hierarchy has to be done away with for true innovation.
Got your point. But इसके साथ साथ what do you think, is there any edge India is having over Silicon Valley कि हम कुछ चीज़ों को channelize कर दें, कुछ चीज़ों को change कर दें, so we can surpass that or we can reach to that level of ecosystem? Because see, hierarchy here is the main problem. अगर किसी के दिमाग में एक छोटा सा आइडिया भी है, CEO तक उनका खुद के कंपनी का एम्प्लॉय नहीं पहुंच पाता, बाहर के लोग क्या पहुंचेंगे? बट इन collaboration is something which is very promoted in Silicon Valley, but इधर there's a zero sum game which you have already mentioned a lot of times. तो इसके साथ साथ what do you think, मतलब इंडिया के पास क्या एज है?
इंडिया के पास मार्केट का एज है. आप नए आइडियाज आसानी से टेस्ट कर सकते हो. Largest user base of LinkedIn is India. Largest user base of Facebook is India. From India, largest user base of Google is India. So you can test new ideas here. इतना बड़ा user base है. You know, that is the advantage. अभी ideas की थोड़ी कमी है. वो somebody has to figure out कि कौन सा idea नया, और it has to be a new, completely new idea. Not something that is a copycat or whatever. And the last thing I will say is the way the government can step in is to protect people with good ideas, right? कोई आप patent file करो या आप लिख लो कि ये original idea मेरा था, so others cannot copy it so easily. यहाँ तो we encourage copying. So you cannot have, like I said before, we have to transform India from an asset-based economy into an IP-based economy, where we value ideas, we protect ideas, we encourage critical thinking. And it's easy to do. It's not that difficult also, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर आप, इसीलिए मैंने एक शोरील पे कोर्स ही क्रिएट किया है critical thinking.
Yes, I saw that.
कि अगर आप, because it has to stimulate that portion of your brain that forces you to think and make decisions on your own. एक तो decision making is absent in India. You reach the highest level of any business, cannot make a decision. Owner can only make a decision. Why? Decision making has to be decentralized.
And decision is influenced also by a lot of factors which it shouldn't be influenced from. शायद वो political होगा, legal perspective होगा, या काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें उसमें भी है. But from a population perspective, मतलब हमारे पास जितनी population है, जितने skilled लोग हैं, do you think we can have an edge? मतलब जैसे अभी हमने बात करा from the way of hierarchy, एक तरीके से हम, मतलब how is our population, थी हम सबसे ज़्यादा populated countries में से मतलब एक हैं. So is our,
नहीं, हम सबसे ज़्यादा populated हैं. We are number one.
Correct. So we are the most populated country.
1.4 billion is, we 1.5 billion, we've overtaken China. उसमें तो number one. We have to let loose the intellectual capital of the country. Channel it in the right way. The society has to also, media में, rather than talking about ये कैसे लग रहा है, बॉलीवुड ने क्या किया, उसने उसको ये बोला, छोटी सी चीजें में मैं नाराज हो गया, ये हो गया. Throw that out of the, and start talking about the future. That is why, how come nobody is discussing, over there, the subject of topics of discussion in national media are electric vehicles, robots, space age, Mars, Neuralink. The people are just talking about how the future is going to change their lives. Waymo, self-driving cars. Here we are talking about the Kapil show and slapstick humor. That means you're making the population dumb and dumber. Raise the IQ level of the population by at least discussing intellectually stimulating shows. So that it becomes a matter of national debate कि हम future की चीजें discuss करें.
मतलब हम population को leverage कर सकते हैं अगर हम उन्हें feed सही चीजें करें.
बिल्कुल.
Got your point.
Throw problems, have challenges. Not quiz shows. Quiz shows are meaningless. Or कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? There's just, either you have the knowledge or not. Knowledge is irrelevant in this new economy. It's what you do with the knowledge. In fact, that has been originally, even Aristotle has said that knowledge without action is not knowledge.
But don't you think it's too difficult? Because business और media तो वही कर रहे हैं जो चलता है. अभी media को भी PR चाहिए, channels को PR चाहिए. अब वो Big Boss बोलेंगे, सलमान खान बोलेंगे, तब जाके उन्हें views आएंगे. And लोग भी, मतलब
जो ज्यादा difficult है वही चीज करनी है हमको. अगर आसान होता तो सब लोग कर लेते. आसान है तो आसान की जिंदगी, अरे यार आराम से जाए, एक दिन मर गए, चलो. किसको? आओ खाओ पियो किसको, that is not the way to live
नहीं,
life.
मेरे को मतलब क्या लगता है कि मतलब उस शिफ्ट को सस्टेन कैसे करेंगे हम लोग, मतलब
बहुत कर सकते हैं
कर सकते हैं।
आप. You have to just light that fire ना, कि नेशनल डिबेट्स में क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग की जैसे क्वेश्चंस हैं, इश्यूज हैं, डिस्कस करो एंड कीप इमोशंस आउट ऑफ इट. आई हैव फाउंड कि इंडिया में पीपल आर हाईली इमोशनल. उसने मुझे ये बोल दिया, हाँ ये किया वो किया. अरे व्हाट आर यू क्रेजी, आर यू लिटिल किड्स? In fact, you get to critical thinking when you are able to suppress your emotions and be unemotional. That's when real brain comes in.
अभी मतलब राइट नाउ व्हाट आई हैव सीन इज कि मतलब काफ़ी सारे लोग, एक टाइम था बीच में व्हेन एक बहुत ही बड़ी बात होती थी कि लोग यूएस में जाके बड़े कॉलेजेस में पढ़ रहे हैं एंड दे आर सेटलिंग ओवर देयर, एंड वहाँ पे उस तरीके की अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ भी बहुत सारी थी. डू यू थिंक दैट स्टिल एग्जिस्ट? मतलब अभी भी अगर कोई, जैसे कोई व्यूअर देख रहा है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, या फिर कोई फैमिली देख रही है जिनका सपना है कि उनका जो मतलब घर के जो बच्चे हैं वो जाकर मतलब स्कूल लाइफ फिनिश करके, कॉलेज लाइफ फिनिश करके मास्टर्स या ग्रेजुएशन यूएस से करें, कैलिफोर्निया से करें, ऐसी मतलब ऐसी सारी जगहों से करें, तो डू यू थिंक इट इज स्टिल वैलिड?
No, I think everything can happen here. But we have to change as a society. Not just education is one bit. Everyone has to change. If everybody changes a little bit, the change will be massive. If everybody says, today I will not tell a kid no, I will tell a kid yes, you can do it, and start thinking with the kid. Let's see how we can do it together. एक तो ये culture of no has to stop. Don't say no to anybody. Always say yes.
गॉट योर पॉइंट. मतलब इसमें जैसे अभी कैसा है कि इन इंडिया जो वीसीज का माइंडसेट है और जिस तरीके से फंडिंग का इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रोसेस है, लोगों को काफ़ी जगह बहुत इजी दिखता है, काफ़ी जगह बहुत डिफिकल्ट दिखता है. शार्क टैंक बहुत इजी दिखाता है सारे प्रोसेस को कि आप आए पिच दिए, हो गई चीज़ें, आपको फंडिंग मिल गई. एक्चुअली में तो काफ़ी देर देर तक फंडिंग मिलती भी नहीं है. एंड वीसीज का जो माइंडसेट है कि प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी में ही इन्वेस्ट करना है, या अगर बहुत ही कुछ बड़ा कर रहे हो तभी उसमें इन्वेस्ट करना है, इतनी डिफिकल्टीज है. ऑन दी सेम हैंड वहां पर इट्स मोर ऑफ अ कोलैबोरेशन माइंडसेट सिलिकॉन वैली में. तो अभी इफ देयर इज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर हु वांट्स टू स्टार्ट समथिंग ऑफ देयर ओन, तो उसे वहां पे ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटी दिखेगी इन टर्म्स ऑफ फंडिंग एंड इकोसिस्टम एंड एवरीथिंग. डू यू थिंक ही शुड स्ट्रगल हियर, बिल्ड समथिंग? किस तरीके से ही कैन बिल्ड हियर इन इंडिया, और ही शुड फ्लाई, मतलब fly to
Don't
US?
make a distinction of here or there or whatever. कहीं पर भी लोकल प्रॉब्लम्स, यहाँ पर लोकल काफी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं इंडिया में. मैं आपको 10 प्रॉब्लम्स अभी बता देता हूँ. एक तो किसी को somebody should sit down and start thinking of how to solve the whole air quality problem over here. Start thinking about it, na? Start thinking about different things. And don't worry, I mean, yeah, funding is one part. You first figure out critically who will buy it, and the society has to support it also.
Correct.
The other thing is society is also, they will not pay for high-end, completely new way of doing software. They'll try to beat you down on price. Everything comes down to price. There people pay for quality, not for price.
मतलब काफ़ी सारे लोग बोलते हैं इंडिया इज अ प्राइस सेंसिटिव मार्केट. दैट प्लेज अ मेजर रोल, जहाँ पे मतलब बिजनेसेस को भी लगता है कि हाँ मतलब हम जो चीज़ें ला रहे हैं वो चीपर रेट में कैसे लेकर आएँ, तभी वो मतलब मासेस में स्केल कर पाएंगे. दैट्स अ लॉट ऑफ बिग कंपनीज हु एंटर्ड इंडिया आल्सो बॉट देयर सर्विसेज एट अ चीपर प्राइस इन इंडिया. दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली ट्रू. मतलब बेसिकली आप ये कहना चाह रहे हो कि मतलब इंडिया में भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है, दो देयर आर प्रॉब्लम्स, बट इफ़ यू शुड फिगर आउट, यूज़ क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, यूज़ प्रॉपर नॉलेज, सब चीज़ लगा के यू कैन बिल्ड great things here as well. It's just that it's difficult over here. Abhi, if I ask you from a founder's view, for example, if you were 25 again today, आप क्या करते? मतलब like let's say that time you figured out something and आपको उसमें बहुत बड़ी opportunity दिखी, you worked at it, you did amazing, उस पर काफ़ी सारे subscribers भी within 1 year ही आ गए थे, मतलब बहुत traction मिल गया था. Right now, if you were 25 again, what would you look into, like putting your time into?
Yeah, right now I think the buzzword is AI, right? But don't do what has already been done. Don't do another large language model. There are 100 companies already doing that. Use AI stuff to do something new, to solve other societal problems that you think can be solved. Mass scale. Use AI to solve delivery of emergency medicine to all of rural India. Right? That is a great figure out. I mean, I'm talking of a big problem. You got to crystallize it down. Even if you charge only like 50 rupees per consultation, but you give them good advice and you solve their problem and have set up remote clinics where a barely 10th grade educated person can start dispensing by using a large language model overseen by some doctor somewhere, make the doctor's life more efficient. One doctor can, instead of dealing with only 50 patients in a day, can deal with 500 patients in a day. I mean, those are the kind of critical thinking ideas.
So you call that quality job creation, I guess. जब हम लोग podcast के पहले बात कर रहे थे about मतलब how these guys are creating employment, but the quality of employment is something else. So this can be categorized into quality of employment.
First of all, you don't think about employment. That's not your end goal. Your end goal is critical thinking, solving a problem, using AI to solve it better.
Got it.
And in the process, creating employment. But if every kid starts doing that, every kid starts creating 40, 50 jobs, all of a sudden you can have... But the government has to not be confined with rules. You're breaking the rules. Overzealously, implementing rules. Tax nahi pay kiya, GST nahi kiya. I mean, what are we running? A mafia organization here or a country?
Absolutely agree with you. मतलब वही चीज है. The follow up to this question will be, अगर किसी को next सबीर भाटिया बनना है, what skill they should acquire right now?
Critical thinking. That's the number one skill. Everything else can be learned. YouTube has the number one teacher on planet Earth. You can learn whatever you want to. AI सीखना है, आप AI सीख सकते हो. आपको large language model सीखना है, वो भी जाके YouTube पे सीख सकते हो. Whatever you want to do. But critical thinking, वो खुद अपने आप, it's an internal decision making process. क्या करना है, क्यों करना है. And ideas don't come like in 1 month. एक idea आया. मैंने कभी एक पॉडकास्ट रिलीज किया है एक दोस्त के साथ सिलिकॉन वैली में, जेफरी. 7 साल उसने एक आइडिया सोचा के बारे में सोचता गया. 7 साल. He wrote a paper on it. He crystallized it down different. And sometimes आइडिया का टाइमिंग भी, आप 4 साल पहले आइडिया के बारे में सोचते हो और 4 साल अपने सबकॉन्शियस में वो आइडिया डेवलप कर रहे हो. 4 साल बाद मार्केट बिकम्स रियल एंड सडनली there's a shift in the market where your ideas come to life.
इधर तो लोगों के पास उतना पेशेंस ही नहीं होगा कि वो 7-8 साल तक एक आइडिया सोचते रहे and then act upon it. मतलब तब act करें.
They can be working full time. While they're thinking of an idea, they can be working full time.
Got it.
It's not that your brain is capable of multitasking like crazy. While you're working in a job, in America, a lot of people, they're working on their job. On the side, they've got another idea. They're doing something.
Right now, you're talking about you are working on an idea since last 14 years. Can you tell me a little bit more about it? मतलब क्या exactly आप ऐसा कर रहे हो जिसमें 14 साल से you are building it, thinking about it. That's a huge amount of time.
Human-machine interface है.
अच्छा, human-machine interface. Okay.
जो आप डेटा अभी कंज्यूम करते हो, वो अलग किस्म से कंज्यूम करोगे.
अच्छा.
आप अगर एक वीडियो देख सकते हो 1 मिनट में, आप 100 वीडियोस देख पाओगे 1 मिनट में.
ओके. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग मतलब लग रहा है.
तो 3-4 महीने में आपको दिख जाएगा.
It has taken you over almost 10 years मतलब ये बनाने के लिए. It's like बहुत सारे complexities भी होंगे इसके अंदर.
बहुत सारे, of course.
Correct. So you're excited about it?
I'm excited about everything.
Have you
Every
tried
day.
it?
Of course.
It's working.
Of course.
100 videos in 1 minute.
Yes.
Your mind can consume.
Yes.
Amazing. That's like one of a kind चीज मैं आज सुना हूँ. That's absolutely like one of a kind. Definitely. एक मेरा मतलब जब मैं अभी हर जगह सिर्फ AI देख रहा हूँ, हर एंटरप्रेन्योर, हर बिजनेसमैन AI में एंटर कर रहा है. इसी तरीके से यू हैव सीन द .com बूम. जब 1995 से लेके 2000 तक देयर वाज अ टाइम, वो 5-6 साल का, जहाँ पे एवरी बिजनेस हु वर कमिंग इनटू मतलब .com वाले कॉन्सेप्ट के अंदर आ रहे थे, उन्हें फंडिंग भी मिल रही थी, हाइप भी मिल रहा था, एंड स्टॉक मार्केट इन्वेस्टमेंट ये सब भी बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर चले गए थे. बट देन अगेन इन 2000s burst of almost Nasdaq fell around 75%. We wiped out 5 trillion. एंड वो सब एक बूम था जो बाद में रियलाइज हुआ कि इट बर्स्ट आउट 2000 के आसपास. एआई में कहीं आपको ये पॉसिबिलिटी दिख रही है कि इट हैज अ लॉन्ग वे टू गो?
No. जो बस्ट हुआ .com में, वही कंपनीज जो सरवाइव कर गई, प्राइस लाइन देख लीजिए आप, जो एकदम गिरी पड़ी थी. Amazon भी.
हाँ, करेक्ट. उसी में
बट लॉन्ग टर्म विजन था. The ones that survived have now become $1 trillion companies.
करेक्ट.
So, if your vision is correct, and if you're solving a real problem, over time those will survive. ये fly by night जो हैं, they will fold. Fly by night does not mean you haven't made it. Fly by night is those that didn't believe in what they were doing. Jeff Bezos believed. जब भी $6 था Amazon stock, आज क्या 3,000-4,000 हो गया है. You know, so .com boom because he said, no, this is a fundamental shift. Fundamentally, it is cheaper to build an online store than build a physical Macy's. People will eventually come over, and we want to build a true delivery mechanism, warehouses, hard work.
करेक्ट.
Hard work takes time.
यू थिंक सर्वाइवल इज द गेम हियर?
Survival of good ideas. Only the entrepreneur knows if it will survive or not. अंदर की जो आवाज है, that's what tells that entrepreneur.
Amazing. मतलब while we are talking about how these entrepreneurs have something, that inner calling वाली जो बात होती है, and the skill which they have, कि मतलब मेरे को पता है ये आइडिया लॉन्ग टर्म में चलेगा. See, you have worked with a lot of people in tech, around tech, and मतलब सिलिकॉन वैली में भी you have built a company. So ये जो इतने सक्सेसफुल लोग होते हैं, जो मतलब बहुत ही बड़े बड़े बिजनेसेस चला रहे हैं या फिर बहुत ही हाई पोजीशंस में, इधर दे आर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स और इंट्राप्रेन्योर्स, दोनों में से जो भी मतलब होते हैं, इनके अंदर वो एक ट्रेड क्या होता है जो लोगों, अभी जनरली क्या होता है, हर जगह सोशल मीडिया पे कुछ वर्ड्स बहुत ज़्यादा चलते हैं. हार्ड वर्क है, एंड मतलब क्लैरिटी है, रिस्क टॉलरेंस है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, आपको क्या ऐसा लगता है कौन सा ऐसा ज़्यादा कम मतलब यूज़ किया हुआ वर्ड है जो उनमें एक ट्रेट होता है, एंड दैट हेल्प्स
जेफ
देम टू?
बीजोस का मैं
प्लीज
एग्जाम्पल लूंगा. उन्होंने जो कंपनी नेम की थी Amazon, उसका ऑल्टरनेट नाम था रिलेंटलेस. करना है बस यही, वो एक दिन लोग सब कुछ खरीदेंगे, बुक्स भी खरीदेंगे, चीजें भी खरीदेंगे, सारी दुनिया खरीदेंगे. बस वो विजन था, और उसी विजन पे उन्होंने काम कर करके एक दिन बना दिया ना. So it is a long-term vision, fundamental shift in user behavior, not stopgap. अगले महीने तक, 3 महीने में, 6 महीने में. Horizon has to be next 20-30 years. What is going to happen? And you have to believe in it. You have to be in it. Keep trying every day.
मतलब वही जो persistence, I would say, मतलब either
persistence.
no matter
And
whatever
belief.
happens.
You have to have belief also.
Of course. Persistence and belief is something which is less spoken about. मतलब because I also told in one of the podcasts कि
अगर आपको लगता है कि 2-minute delivery will last 30 years from now versus 5-minute delivery versus 15-minute delivery, if they believe in it, it may last.
Okay.
If they don't believe in it,
what do you believe?
I don't know. I don't care whether it's 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Somebody has solved the delivery problem. That's it. Now move on to some other problem
Correct.
that nobody has solved.
Correct. I absolutely agree with you. अभी आने वाले टाइम में who do you think will survive the most, specialist और generalist? मतलब क्योंकि अभी जैसे क्या है कि किसी को एकदम नीच डाउन हो जाना चाहिए कि दे शुड बी अ जैक ऑफ ऑल, बिकॉज जैसे इसमें एक कंफ्यूजिंग पॉइंट कहाँ पे आ जाता है कि नाउ एआई इज देयर टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. अभी आने वाले टाइम में भी इट विल बी डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. तो समवन शुड बी अ स्पेशलिस्ट, use AI in a niche oriented work, or they should be a generalist and use it for a broad spectrum of work. And
No, usually specialist is you got to go deep. I have found key either maybe it's the way of thinking. I don't know. For example, I'm a bicyclist, right? Somebody says, okay, let's make a handlebar that is shock absorbing. And they just keep doing that, testing. Now, once they have a patent on it, companies don't copy that. They're like, okay, we want to buy your patent. We want to buy your idea. There is respect for knowledge, original creation, effort that somebody has put in. That kind of mindset has to come here, where we shouldn't be copying other people's ideas. We have to respect people's ideas. Only when we respect knowledge and original ideas will we be able to transform into an IP-based economy.
जनरली हम वही बात करते हैं कि इधर जीरो सम गेम बहुत ज्यादा है. लोग एक दूसरे को नीचे खींचने के लिए ज्यादा देखते हैं कि एक कोई आगे बढ़ रहा है मतलब मैं.
वो तो सोसाइटी को बदलना है.
करेक्ट.
कि we have to help everybody, each other, especially the young, and work collaboratively. Not try to pull each other down. वो हो गया तो
आपको क्या लगता है मतलब ये सोसाइटी खुद करेगी आफ्टर एजुकेशन की फोर्सफुली होगा कि नहीं? अब तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
आई थिंक अगर खुद रियलाइजेशन आना चाहिए, लेकिन सिस्टम्स भी अगर आप ऐसे बनाओ कि वो people support each other rather than pulling each other down subconsciously. All of this is in the subconscious. You wish well for somebody else. मैं आपको एक और एग्जांपल भी दे देता हूँ. I'm about to publish something on LinkedIn. So the UP government has come out with some scheme to give 5 lakh rupees in a no interest loan to 100 crores worth to entrepreneurs. 5 lakhs. So that comes to 20 times 100, 2,000 entrepreneurs, right? So I said, वो thinking ही गलत है कि आप उनको लोन क्यों दे रहे हो? Equity लोन ले लो उनमें, उनके कंपनीज में, छोटी सी equity. Now you're a partner of theirs. You look at a person who's funding you as a partner, not as a loan shark. Just that simple change in thinking means that now government is your partner. That is a synergistic relationship. And the best part is the government was willing to lose the 100 crores also, said, we know it won't come back. Then why call it a loan? Call it equity and become a partner.
Because loan का mindset तो वही होता है कि मतलब कुछ पैसे दिए वापस देना है.
And I'm not interested in what you do, how you do it. I just want my money back.
Correct.
Zero interest, but someday I want it back. Why? It's just different difference in the way of thinking. If this happens, like I said, 2,000 entrepreneurs, 99% may fail. 1% succeeds, will return more than the 100 crores to everybody. It's just a difference in the way of thinking. That way of thinking is what we want here.
I absolutely agree with you. Abhi, you have spent decades solving big problems. आपने पहले एक problem solve करा, अभी you are coming up with something new. What's that one problem you still feel is yet to be solved? मतलब जैसे एक time पे it was about communication which you solved, which you figured out कि हाँ ये problem है, this can be used by everyone in the world. Right now you're coming up with something related to data, मतलब जो human mind faster consume कर सके. और क्या चीज़ है मतलब जो still आपको लगता है कि हाँ this is that one thing I'm still figuring about myself or the world, मतलब exactly उसी के around.
Lots of problems, but I think the whole world has gone mad right now because of this whole tariffs, this thing, that thing. I think the whole world should have zero tariffs. I think that is the ultimate goal of Donald Trump. Because he's saying, if you put tariff on me, I'll put tariff on you. And some countries are beginning to realize, like Vietnam, Israel, कि zero tariffs. हम आपके पास जीरो करेंगे तो उसने रेसिप्रोकेट करेगा, हम भी जीरो करेंगे. अगर सारी दुनिया में जीरो टैरिफ्स हो जाए तो we will achieve globalization.
I absolutely agree with you on this point. अभी as we are moving towards the end of our conversation, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें मेरे को समझ में आई about the Indian economy and everything. अगर आपके लाइफ के ऊपर कोई बुक लिखी जाती या फिर अगर आप खुद अपना एक बुक लिखते, what would the title be?
टाइटल अभी तक सोचा नहीं है, वो बहुत डीप क्वेश्चन है वो. आई कांट पुल अ टाइटल आउट लाइक दिस, बट सोचना पड़ेगा.
सोचना पड़ेगा. But what chapter are you writing in your life?
Right now, I'm still an entrepreneur. I'm still learning. The day I stop learning is this day I'll stop being an entrepreneur.
You think that learning is a very big part in anyone's
Huge
life.
part. Everything is new. From even my time. During my time, we used PR, do marketing. Today, we are using social media.
Correct.
Social media is a phenomenal platform. और लोगों को people can start independent. Let's say somebody in India has the idea of doing, I'm giving you an example,
Mm-hmm.
a new kind of shoe
Mm.
meant only for Indians, that is somehow adapted to Indian hot conditions, it's self-cooling. I'm just giving an example. Today, you can build that market for yourself on social media completely. Like Allbirds did. Other companies are doing. You can start with your own local local area, local distribution, local everything. And if it works, then scale it up. So learning is the key. Every day I have to learn something every day. Something new.
So you think that rather than working inside an existing market, create your own market. That's what you
Totally.
got your point. So the last question would be to you is that you have seen huge amount of money. You have seen huge amount of success, fame. $400 million is a big deal, very big deal. What does success mean to you now?
Success, I don't even know what success is.
Did you know back then? Did you feel you were successful when you got?
I was, yeah. Then I gave it up. I'm like, it's useless. That's not success. Success is, I don't even say what is success. I don't know what success is. Happiness. We have to solve for happiness every day. Every day doing things that make us happy. Happiness is one. And the other part of happiness is health. The most important thing we have to take care of ourselves is our health. You can be the most successful person on planet Earth if, like Steve Jobs, his health failed him for whatever reason. So now, can we prevent ourselves from falling sick? And by the way, my philosophy is very simple. There are ways you can prevent it by doing very simple: eating right? Sleeping well, exercising, and socializing and being happy.
Were you able to do it when you were building?
Yeah, totally. First, and unbeknownst to me, when I was doing Hotmail, every day I used to wake up and run 10 miles in the morning before going to work. Every day. And I would only come back home when I was tired from work at 10 o'clock in the night. I loved it. I didn't feel there was pressure or anything. There was no pressure.
I'm taking that as a personal advice, of course. And होता क्या कि right now people are blaming that to the hustle culture which is there, because अगर आप कोई business build कर रहे हो या startup build कर रहे हो, you have to be there 24/7.
Wake up early in the morning. Wake up at 5:30. 5:30 to 6:30 क्या हासिल करोगे? कोई
Correct.
business को deal करोगे? Go work out for 1 hour.
Got your point.
Your whole mindset will change for the day.
Got your point. Every youth watching this podcast, everyone watching this podcast will be truly inspired by your words, sir. And thank you so much. एक last कुछ अभी जैसे हमें मतलब ओवरऑल देखकर ये समझ में आया है कि everything will start changing from the time we start changing our mindset. हम mindset change करेंगे, critical thinking को समझेंगे, critical thinking को अपनी life में लेकर आएंगे, तभी changes होने चालू होंगे, whether it be an economy or whether it be anywhere else. तो apart from this, किसी को अगर critical thinking develop करना है, किसी को अगर mindset shift करना है, what's your advice for them?
Don't get scared of what other people say. Especially in India, 20 people says nahi karo, mat karo. If you believe in it, do it.
Correct.
Believe in yourself and don't worry about other people's opinions. Trust your own instincts.
Got your point. Thank you so much, Abhiji. Thank you so much for your time and
You're very welcome.
all the knowledge which you have channelized. I hope you liked the conversation.
I did,
And definitely.
yes. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.
It's my pleasure. Just we'll look into the cameras and click a picture. Just you have to look in this
Okay.
camera. We have to.